Hi everybody, it's Tereese. Happy Saturday. I'm here today to share a project, my Valentine's Day cards for hashtag #SatMornMakes, hosted by Jill Norwood. Um, I'll have her link down below. She has created this open collaboration for about almost 4 years, going on 4 years now. And it was since COVID, and um, it's grown into this big community, and it's lots of fun watching all the videos on Saturday. I've tried to keep up every Saturday so far, I think. Um, maybe. I can't even remember now. So anyway, let me share you my card. Let me show you the things that I use for my card. I used this stamp set from Stampin' Up. It's a retired stamp set, but um, it is one of my go-tos. I always use this stamp set, and it's called Teeny Tiny Wishes, and it's perfect for cards. Um, I used this stamp set that was given to me by Judy Evans Parker. She sent this to me in Happy Mail. I also used some dies from my stash. This is a Spellbinders die. And I think this is from AliExpress because there's no packaging on the back. Well, there's no packaging here, but I know this is Spellbinders. I used an old punch from Martha Stewart. I think somebody told me that, or somebody said on one of their videos that these are vintage now. Oh my god. I thought that was so funny. And I used this one from Martha Stewart. And I wish he had more. I wish he had punches again. But anyway. So that's what I use. I also use this ink to stamp out the panda bear. If you know me, I love my bears, and I love panda bears and all kinds of bears, and polar bears, doesn't matter. So here is my card. So this is an A2 size card. I layered red and this pattern paper that I got from Hobby Lobby. Cut out my circles and my scallop circles, stamped my image with that Indian ink pad. I punched out the scallop Martha Stewart punch, and I added the smaller punch, layered it up with some glitter paper, and then I stamped the Teeny Tiny Wishes stamp set and backed it with some red cardstock. So this is my card for this year. I love it. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great Saturday morning. Well, it's actually afternoon right now, but anyway, you have a great Saturday, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.